Hello to you too, all again. We are on our second video on the seperable method of separation of variables. So we have another example here. So we have dy dx being equal to x squared over y times 1 plus s cubed. So you know the first thing is I move my dx to my right hand side. So in doing so, I'll get dy being equal to x squared over 1 plus s cubed dx. Okay, and the next thing is I can also move my y to this side. So in doing so, I have y dy being equal to s squared over 1 plus x cubed dx. As simple as that. And all we do again is now just to integrate. So I introduce my integral sign, and the integral of y is just with respect to dy is just going to give me what? 1 on 2 y squared. And on my right hand side, we are going to we see that when I differentiate my denominator, I'm going to get 3x squared. But there is an s squared in my numerator. So we are going to do what we call a create and destroy strategy here. So I'm going to create 1 over 3 here and create 3x squared on my numerator, so that I'll be able to evaluate this integral as a ln of 1 plus s cubed. Okay, and in doing so, I'll end up with 1 over 2y squared being equal to 1 on 3 ln of 1 plus x cubed plus c. Don't forget your constant. And we can decide to multiply 2 through by 6 in order to get rid of the fractions. So in doing so, we'll end up with 3y squared being equal to 2 ln 1 plus s cubed plus c. Someone might ask, why didn't I write 6c? Whether it is 6c or it is c, it is still an arbitrary constant. Okay, so this is our general solution for our first order separable differential equation. Thank you all. Bye bye.